What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, I'm doing an unboxing. I received a nice sized box here from Tri-Coastal Design. If you guys don't remember, I recently just did a video reviewing some beard products from this company and I didn't give them the best review. Unfortunately, I had kind of a crappy experience, so they've seen my video, reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some more products. So I figured, why not? Send them my way, we'll give it another try, and that's what we're here to do today. So if you guys are interested in this unboxing and review of whatever's in here, then keep on watching. So I literally have absolutely no idea what is in this box. I don't know what they're sending me, so we're gonna have fun with this. I'm opening up this box with a custom army knife, whatever you call these. It says georgeschirra on it. This was gifted to me by my brother-in-law, and I just found it. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna put that to use. We're gonna be butch. We're gonna open up the box with a army knife. So how about that? How do you even close this thing? You gotta watch me like cut my finger off in this video. Oh, all right, we're just gonna put that down. All right, guys. So as you've seen in my previous video, I didn't have the best experience with this company. The shaving brush basically fell apart. I don't know, it wasn't the greatest video. And I want to say this before I even dive into like whatever's in here. I'm gonna keep it real on this channel. I know a lot of influencers just like to get free products and say whatever they possibly can in a positive way to keep getting free stuff, pretty much. That's not what I'm for. I can pay for my own stuff. I buy my own things. From time to time I get sent PR, which I'm very grateful for, very appreciative of. But no matter what, I will always keep it real with my audience and say exactly how I feel. You can always expect a honest, true review when it comes to georgeschirra. So with that being said, let's dive in. Let's see what's in here. And have some brown bags. Oh my God. They definitely sent me way more than I expected. This looks like it's a men's travel kit. Contains sea salt, body lotion, body wash and shampoo, face wash and scrub, 2-in-1 shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, that's pretty awesome, not gonna lie. The bag is pretty cool too. I definitely am in need of a new little travel bag and it's pretty cute. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. Wow, all right, so before I get into what else is in here, let me just tell you guys, I recently just put like a post on Instagram, a little question thingy to ask me whatever's on your mind, if you want me to answer in a Q&A. I guess you could say this video is a Q&A slash unboxing, whatever you want to call it, but I was asked a few questions here on Instagram, so as we go through this, I'm going to answer some questions just to make this a little bit more interesting and fun. One that was asked to me says, have you ever been to the UK? This is actually from a fellow YouTuber, Gabrielle. What's going on? Hopefully I'm pronouncing your name right, but I do watch your videos. You are pleasant and cute, so thank you so much for the question. The answer is no. Unfortunately, I have not been to the UK yet. The UK is definitely on my list to visit. I want to travel to so many places. It's not even funny. My agenda, my list of like where I want to go definitely starts in the Europe area, so the UK is on my list, that's for sure. All right, so what else is in here, guys, is this box. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. So this is like a huge kit. Looks like it says comes with a face wash and scrub, body lotion, shave butter, shaving brush, and face towel. Oh my God, this is pretty dope. I never really seen a shave kit that was this deluxe, to be honest. So kind of loving that. I'm getting flashbacks though with this little shaving brush because my previous experience. There we have the brush, and this is yeah, not the greatest. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. Next question here says, I can't wait for this. My question is, what made you decide to have a YouTube channel? And that's an amazing question. My inspiration beyond YouTube is pretty much just an outlet to talk about whatever I want to talk about. I buy a lot of stuff. I'm a consumer. I love to provide my experience and share, you know, how I feel about certain things that I buy. And I want to make one thing clear. My channel, I don't want to put it in a box in a category of reviewing and he's an influencer. That's not what I consider myself to be. Although I do like to provide my opinion about stuff that I purchase. that's not like solely what I want my channel to be known for. I do want to do more stuff like vlogs and fashion stuff, and just there's so many things I have in mind that I want to share with you guys. But overall, to answer your question, what inspired me to do YouTube is just the outlet. Anybody can create a channel, anybody could talk about whatever they want to talk about. I'd like to think I'm a social person, and with my work schedule and a lot of my friends moving out of my area, I don't have the opportunity to, you know, sit down and constantly hang out with friends and like gossip and stuff. So it's fun to come on here, and although it's a camera, I'm still like venting and talking to someone. So I don't know. I guess I have a lot of different motives as to why I started a YouTube channel, but that's some of them right there. All right, so I just decided I'm not gonna make this video fancy and like do a close-up of each product or anything, because this is not that type of video. But I have to say, this is a cute little travel bag. Again, definitely I'm feeling that. And these are, looks like the creams that it said on here. One is a body wash and shampoo. That's what this is. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I never use the same type of like body wash for shampoo. I have my go-to shampoos, and I'll definitely use this as a body wash. We'll give it a shot, but not a shampoo. Hydrating sea salt body lotion. All right, I wanna give that a shot right now because my hands are like dry AF. They are brittle and disgusting with this cold. It is freezing in Pennsylvania, and actually the weather like fluctuates. Like one day it's like 50, next day it's 20 some degrees. It's nasty. I'm not a fan, so I could use this. Also, you might see in a lot of my videos, my hands are like destroyed and cut up and stuff. I have 5 cats, so cut me some freaking slack. All right. Oh, that smells really good too. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna like this, and definitely I will be using this. Probably I will keep this on my desk at work and use this as much as possible to relieve these grandpa hands. So that's that. And we have a exfoliating face wash and scrub with vitamin E. Maybe we'll do a separate review on that. And 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner with jojoba oil. I've been hearing a lot about this jojoba oil. I'm not too familiar with what exactly its benefits are, but I'm definitely hearing a lot about it these days. But this is cool. I'm definitely enjoying this. So far, I mean, this is really the only one I've opened, and I'm appreciating the sea salt hydrating body lotion with vitamin E. All right, so another question I have here is, this is random, but what is your favorite album by Gaga? Lady Gaga, I'm a pretty big fan of Gaga, I must say. I met her years ago. I have a very big soft spot for her. I think she's an amazing artist, an amazing inspiration to every community out there as a human kind. But my favorite album, I would say, is I think The Fame Monster. It's classic. The Fame was amazing, but The Fame Monster had like a dark twist to it and more catchy. I don't know, but I really appreciate that album. That has to be my favorite. Now this box, I've just noticed, this is wood. This is pretty cool. So I'm gonna see if I can do something with that after I'm done. But it's bowed up, pretty cute. Looks very luxurious, I must say. Quality of the packaging is nice, but we're gonna take a look at that brush, and hopefully we'll have a part 2 of the original experience. And I think it's pretty cool. It comes with a little towel, because you never see that, so it's pretty neat. Gotta excuse the beauty and the noise. All right, so what do we have here? We will start with the exfoliating face wash and scrub. This is really, oh my god, this is really in there. Oh, it's taped in there. Oh my god, the struggle. I have to say Tricoastal Designs logo for like their men's products is pretty cool. This is very like woodsy, very lumberjack with the 2 axes. I'm appreciating it. I like myself a good like wilderness moment. This doesn't really have a smell to it. This is the exfoliating face wash and scrub, Malagu Black. I think that's what the last product was, that same scent. I don't know, but this is pretty cool. Very simple packaging. It's plastic, nothing crazy, nothing special. I don't know the retail price of these products, so unfortunately, unless I find them when I'm updating this video, editing this video, then I'll list them in the description, but it's pretty cute. Then we have the shave butter, and I believe this shave butter, guys, look, I'm not even joking. Everything is glued in there. I could probably hold it upside down. What do you know? The brush fell out. There we go. This is the shea butter. We reviewed this in my last video. Same scent, Malagu Black, I believe that one was. It's cool. It's cute. I don't really use shea butter, but if I do, I will definitely try that. Brush is not falling off. It is glued in there sturdy. I don't know if you want to say this is like a luxury brush because it is plastic. It's very simple. It's very minimal, but it's not falling apart, so I appreciate that. The bristles aren't too crazy soft. They're decent. I don't know if I'm gonna really use this because again, I don't really shave that often. I look like an infant. I look like a freaking toddler when I have no facial hair, so you will not be seeing me without this for a while, maybe never. So yeah, don't count on that. And there's the little face towel. This luckily was not glued in, but it's cute. Like that. And lastly, we have, this is the Malagu Black Hydrating Sea Salt Body Lotion Vitamin E. Okay, so we have another body lotion. This, I do like the black matte packaging of this. It's very simple. This is gonna be the exact same thing as the previous one, so I'm gonna actually leave this one closed and just wait till I finish the other one. I think my favorite part about these products from Tri-Coastal Design is they're very minimal, they're very masculine, they are affordable. I know all these products from Tri-Coastal Design, if you want to check out their website, I'll link it down below. Their products are very affordable, and that's huge when it comes to men's grooming, because let's face it guys, men's grooming has blown up within the past year, so a lot of brands are like, they're coming full force, and this is pretty cool. I'm happy to bring awareness to this versus my previous experience. So Tri-Coastal Design, I'm very grateful, appreciative of you guys sending me these products. If you guys want to check out any of these, I'll list it down below in the description. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash Q&A thing I had going on. But if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated, goes a long way. Share this video, share the love. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. Also, my Instagram is in one of these corners, so give that a follow if you want to. I'm not gonna say what to do, but you will be entertained, to say the least. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, whatever time of day it is, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.